Hey guys, how you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everybody is doing well. You are seeing me with my tea mug, so that means it's time to say it, everybody. Drink your tea. Yes, we are drinking our tea from Sip Spy. If you have not seen any of my other previous videos for Sip Spy and you are just tuning in, let me do a quick rundown very fast of Sip Spy, and then I will take you directly to the box I received. Sip Spy is a monthly tea discovery box. It's like a typical subscription box. However, instead of being sent makeup or hair care or things like that, you are sent teas. And I am somebody that loves testing out new teas. I love having a variety of teas to kind of go through and use, and this is perfect for me. What I did was I took a very in-depth quiz on the Sip Spy website that let them know exactly what I was looking for in teas. And I'll be honest with you, I was not a tea person at all before I started this journey with Sip Spy, and I now drink tea every night before I go to bed. The monthly subscription box is $15 per month with free shipping in the United States. Sip Spy works with over 150 global tea brands. So when you get your customized, personalized box, you know that the teas in the box are going to be teas that you love. And they're going to be very unusual, unique teas that you probably have never seen before. I'll be honest with you, everything I've gotten in my box is new and different to me, something I've never really seen at my local supermarket, and I have enjoyed testing these teas out so much. However, this is not one of their monthly tea box videos. This is one of their specialty tea boxes. If you go to Sip Spy's website and you go under the area called tea boxes, I think it's called, you will see a list of all the different specialty tea boxes they have to offer. I love their specialty tea boxes because they have one for any type of occasion you could possibly want. Halloween, Christmas, birthdays, teas to help your mood, teas to help your sleep, teas from women-owned tea brands only. So many different varieties of tea boxes. They're great for gifts because I believe usually one box will run $15, or you can give a 3-month, 6-month, or a 12-month Sip Spy gift card. So today I'm going to show you one of these specialty tea boxes that Sip Spy sent me. We will go through the box together, and then I will pick out one of the teas and steep it on the channel. So let's get started with the video. Sip Spy's teas come to you in this nice little compact cardboard box that says Sip Spy on it. And when you open up the box, there's an informational card inside that lets you know what type of box you got, whether it be one of the monthly subscriptions or whether it's one of these specialty tea boxes. And this is a self-care tea box from Sip Spy. Don't we all need some self-care right now in this age of Corona? Oh my gosh, yes we do. And I thought this was so cute. There are little cards in here that are illustrated by Janie Stapleton and really charming, comforting artwork. I think that is so adorable. A fabulous box to give someone right now to tell them to take some time, take care of themselves in what we're dealing with in this world, or even yourself, just to relax and just do a lot of self-reflection. If you look at the back of the first card, you can see it tells you all the different types of teas at the bottom and how to steep the tea and for how long. I always find these cards to be really helpful, especially for someone that may be a novice tea drinker. And then if you look in the rest of the box, this would be a great box for someone you know that loves to journal, or even yourself, because then each card has a little saying on it. This one is talking about energizing yourself. And then when you flip the cards over, there's space for you to just jot down some notes. This one says, what things make you feel energized? So you can just kind of think about it, write things down, and then maybe look at it day to day to make yourself feel a little bit better. This next card is talking about the importance of rest. And then when you flip this one over, it asks you to jot down a nighttime routine that makes you feel more relaxed. I love all this artwork. I think this little mouse is so cute. And then there's a card about grounding. I think grounding yourself is so important. Flip this card over and there's space for you to jot down how you felt after doing a particular particular grounding technique. Just kick your shoes off, put your feet on the ground, and just really feel the earth under your feet and mark down how that felt. And then there is a heart healer card. And this is a card that reminds you to take care of your heart, not just the health of your heart, but just how your heart feels, just how you feel about things. And on the back of this, it says, what makes your heart happy? So you can jot a few things down. You can even do it on a day-to-day basis. Those are all the cards. They are so cute. Now let's get into the box. The first thing I see in this box are some of Sip Spy's reusable muslin cloth tea bags. These are really great. I actually even use these myself. They're very helpful, especially if you give this as a gift. You know that the person getting the box will have something to steep the tea in. In my box, I have some energy tea, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of that. I have a wrapped packet of some Copper Cup Turmeric Latte Mix. I really like this. I've tried this before. And this has several packets of the latte mix all wrapped together. So that's not just one pack. It is several packages of that included in the box. I have some Beauty Sleep Chamomile Rose Tea from the Republic of Tea. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 packets of that. And then I have a large packet of, I think this is my loose tea. It is Tea Head's Oolong Raspberry Rose Tea, and this is a medium caffeine tea. That is my self-care tea box. Let's pick one of these to test out. And I think I'm going to pick the energy tea. I think I'll pick this tea, and while I'm drinking this tea, I will get my little card with the mouse on that talks about what energizes me and just jot a few things down. Let's get started. Another delicious specialty tea box from Sip Spy. Really great for someone or even yourself that wants a little self-care. You can buy the self-care tea box individually for $15, or you can purchase a 3-month, a 6-month, or a 12-month physical Sip Spy gift card. Hope you enjoyed seeing this self-care tea box. All the information for this box will be down in my description box. Take care, guys. Bye-bye from Marla.